You're not going to like what I'm about to say. But if you are a developer, this might be the last year your job looks the same. You're about to hear something most developers are too afraid to admit out loud. Somewhere right now, an AI is writing code, and its writing is better than the person who trained it. So if I were a developer right now, I wouldn't be scared. I'd be dangerous. Because the only thing more powerful than AI is a human who knows how to command it. Let me hit you with something real. For the first time in human history, the tool we use to build the web can wake up tomorrow and build itself. Not in the future, not someday, right now. A year ago, building a website meant long nights, cold coffee, endless debugging, frustration, and scrolling through Stack Overflow like your life depended on it. Today, you whisper a single sentence to an AI, and it generates the HTML, the CSS, the JavaScript, the layout, the animations, the entire experience. No burnout, no mistakes, no "let me fix that." Just flawless, relentless execution. And that's why developers everywhere are asking the same question. Is AI replacing us? But here's the twist almost nobody sees coming. AI is powerful, but it's blind. AI is fast, but it has no taste. AI executes, but it cannot understand. It has no intuition, no emotion, no vision, no sense of story. Sure, AI can build a website, but it can't feel the meaning behind it. It can write code, but it doesn't know why the code matters. And that's where humans stay undefeated. If you're a developer, listen carefully. You were never valuable because you could type code. You were valuable because you could solve problems, see patterns, understand people, create experiences that actually resonate. AI can generate 1,000 versions, but you choose the one that actually makes sense for humans. The developer of the future isn't the one who memorizes syntax. It's the one who thinks bigger, designs deeper, leads, and uses AI like a co-pilot, not a competitor. Everyone keeps asking, will AI replace developers? And honestly, that's the wrong question. The real question is, will developers who use AI replace developers who don't? And the answer is cold, sharp, unavoidable. Yes, every single time. So, if I were a developer right now, I wouldn't be afraid. I'd be dangerous. Because you are not just a developer anymore. You are a force multiplier, a single human with the power of an entire development team behind you. AI isn't the end of developers. It's the rise of super developers. And the ones who evolve, the ones who learn to command this new power, they won't just survive, they will dominate.